what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Yeah, so today we're at Freddy's restaurant, right? Steakburgers. We're about to check it out and see what they're all about. You know, this is our first time trying it out. There's a new location, yeah, here in Lake Wales. So we're gonna check it out and let you know what it's all about. All right.
Thank you for choosing Freddy's. How can I help you?
Hi, give me 1 second.
Okey-dokey.
All right, so I'm looking at number one. Number one looks pretty good. So you want to try a burger?
Yeah.
Okay. How about number two, like the bacon and cheese double steak burger,
Or the number 5.
or number 5? You want to try a number 5?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'll have a number 5. And
Fries in a medium drink, okay?
yes, and also a number 2.
What kind of drink for you?
Let's see. I'll have a small fruit punch.
Regular size fruit punch?
Yeah.
Alright, and what's the next order for you?
Yeah, guys, 1638. You know, for everything, that's not bad. So I'm about to do a taste test and let you know what we're working with. You know, so stay tuned. Yes, guys. So I ordered the double cheeseburger, double bacon cheeseburger. Ooh, there it is. Take it up. Ooh, there it is. Oh yeah, it looks good so far. All right, and French fries. These are some shoestring fries, right? Little tiny fries. Nice and hot. It's not salty, you know. It's good. What else? And I got some sauces as well. This is the fry sauce. All right, so I'm gonna check it out. Ooh, yeah. All right, so this is the fry sauce. We're gonna check it out. Not bad. This is like the mayo-based type of sauce. I'm trying to see if I could taste the exact, you know, ingredients. Let's see if it's on the packet. Pretty much tomato, ketchup, you know, vinegar, mustard, and a few other ingredients. I'm not gonna list all the ingredients right now. All right, so let's set this aside. See what other sauces are in the bag. So this one is buffalo, not buffalo, bullseye barbecue sauce. And this is honey mustard. Not gonna try that. Not gonna try that. Let's try the burger. All right, so on the burger you have some sliced pickles, some yellow onion, bacon, American cheese, and 2 patties, steak patties, you know. All right, so I'm gonna check it out. So good, guys. So good.
Going to the house.
Wow. I'm gonna add a little sauce, a little of this fry sauce on top. Ooh, look at that. This is good. This is good. Wow. Yes, guys, so this right here, like I said, the beef patty is like 100% beef, you know, lean meat, no fat, you know, and it's juicy. So based on everything, this is what I think. The drive-through line was pretty fast, pretty decent, you know. On a scale of 1 through 10, French fries, I'll say about an 8, 8.5, you know. The seasoning was perfect, you know. It's not salty, like I said, it's not salty, it's not soggy, you know. And it was hot, you know, so can't complain on that, you know. The burger, I have no complaints whatsoever about the burger. Scale of 1 through 10, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. You know, 10 out of 10. I mean, I don't expect much because it's still considered fast food, you know, so I didn't really have a high expectation as far as the quality goes, but based on, you know, the taste, it's good. You know, can't complain. So 10 out of 10. Definitely check them out. If you have a Freddy's in your area, check them out and see for yourself. All right, so if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.